This is how to build a double story part 2. And I recommend building this house. It's easy but it's big. It's all in good fun though. Unless you want a hard-end big house, I'll do that in the next episode of how to build a double story in the next episode. Yeah. But after I'm done with this one, obviously. Subscribe and like to all my videos, please. Now back to the video. I guess you can see my catchphrase is back to the video. For some reason I say it. I guess it's my catchphrase. Comment down below what your catchphrase is and how did you get it. As in, why did you use your catchphrase? As in, why and how did you get your catchphrase? Were you angry? Were you happy? Just comment down below. Oh yeah, and don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification so you don't miss my next video. Now back to the video. As I said, that's my catchphrase, so yeah, I just would say that randomly. I'd say back to the video randomly. But sometimes if you're lazy, there's this Minecraft app. I'll show you in the next episode how you can choose your own Minecraft house and just paste that in your room. But it has to be a flat wall, that's the problem. You can easily make a city out of those houses. And there's McDonald's, Burger King, KFC, Chicken Licken, these stores, water parks, there's a lot of stuff you can do. Now, back to the video. If you use a concrete block, you should use black stained glass. It really brings out the wall, I guess. Not if you put the double story part. Whoa. Let's not get too fast, so fast. This can be a hallway. In the hole is putting lava in it. You'll see what I mean soon enough. Okay, now I put the lava right here. If this doesn't look too good, you can shift this part of the house this side. This is how it looks. You can show your friend from the outside so it looks like this, but when he or she goes to the back, you'll see this. First build a 3x6 hole. Dig it, I'm not saying. Dig one block down. Actually, dig 2 blocks down. If you're in a flat wall, it's gonna show until bedrock. That's good. Get your black stained glass. Now, then put in the lava. It's to bring out light. As I said, I like putting lava. The more lava, the better. Now cover it with your black stained glass or any color you like. But I say black stained it would really get the house. After making sure it's properly filled, get started with the wall again. You continue. Mistakes are problems, but you can easily remove them. Hey, let's get. Okay, after you're done with this, now since I'm done here, this is a possibility, right? To say, I think your possibility would need it to be a little bit longer. I really like it since it is a kind of big possibility. Just one more block, 2 more blocks longer, if you like. But sometimes 1 more block longer is better than 2 more. Now add the lava. So as you can see, it's all straightened up. But looks like over here it's not straightened up at all. So let's get building. Did I say building? I mean to say filling. Now looks like the is straightened up. If you accidentally put lava on the floor, it's no problem. Just put a block on the place with the lava on. That way you can move room. But then if you put it on wood blocks, you have to easily get water because wood is extremely flammable, especially in Minecraft. In real life, it would take a while for wood to actually burn. So in Minecraft, it takes 2 seconds, just 2 seconds for it to fill up. Okay, let's build up. As you see, plants, I love plants, all kinds of plants. This part, wood part, is a waiting area. Or when you're busy in the inside, you can tell them to wait from the inside also, if you get it. Because you might be preparing a surprise for a friend or something special to you. Now to increase this thing. Well, you can't actually see it, but I will show you how to actually make a suitable stay, I guess. You can see. Add another door here. Since now you're out of there, it would be best to use a bridge door now, since it's just now full white. This is the house on the outside. Okay. Right now, I'm gonna build a surgery. That way, I can build a living room. As I said, this is just a passageway now. Here you have to extend it by 3 feet. At 3 feet, I mean 3 more blocks. Then add 1 more line of block up, then turn. Just keep on turning. And if you like, you can add a roof glass. I don't know what they're called, but yeah. It's basically glass you put on the roof or ceiling, so I can easily come here. I'll show a redstone hack soon that the light can switch on only in the dark. This is very useful when you are in survival. And from the morning, you use glass. That way, you can easily get sunlight. When you get by this kind of level, just keep on going. No big deal. Alright, we're getting somewhere. As you can see, the house is looking great. If you would like, you don't have to use a treasure for the waiting lobby. You can just use the same block you're gonna use for the house. But I like to change it up once in a while. Now for a window, use 6x3. They got 6x3 house, I meant to say. Don't forget to still use black stained glass. Well, if you would like, you can use any color you want. Here's a little music. I'm playing it right now, but I'll play it. Comment down below if you know what this song is and do you like it or not. Okay, tell me if you play Roblox. If you're lucky, you might find me on Roblox soon. Okay. Now from the outside, extended for one block. After that, extended to the right and left. 5 blocks would do. For the living room, I'm saying. Then from the right, expand for 3 blocks. I feel like you can easily make it equal. But 3 blocks might be better. Like if some of you worry, like you can actually do 5 and even longer. Now add one more block to your right. That's where it can turn from. I'm specifically doing 3 blocks so I can still see through the glass. But if you don't mind not seeing through the glass, you don't have to do 3 blocks. After I'm done here, this will be part 2. I'll continue the survival series part 2 today later. Tell your friends to like and subscribe. And just in case you forget what my name is Bebro X Bomb. As I said in the first episode, I changed it to Bebro X Bomb because there's rather a lot of people who use Bebro X9 and Bebro X Boom. So I had to change it up a little. Hopefully no one gets the idea to use Bebro X Bomb. Oh yeah, but anyway, I might add my TV. Well, it's not gonna be a working TV, but if you want one, you can install a mod. Just in case I said mod, not mob. Okay, to put some light. As you see, the lava's lighting up this room. That's one of the reasons I used lava. I'm trying to get myself close though. You can use redstone, but I'll use that later. Right now, put it safe. One right here and one right here. If you're a hacker, you can copy this house for your friend and they'll decorate it how they want. But it's gonna be tricky. It's gonna be a lot of times and turns. Watch this video to the end. Okay. Let's wrap it up now. This looks good enough for part 2. Thanks and peace out.